Can you make the K2 meter go off one more time? Thank you.
What's going on, guys? Today we're at an old location, mid 1800s beehive charcoal kiln. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's go check it out.
It was built in the beehive charcoal kiln, built in the early 1900s by a member of the Kenan family. The brick kiln was used to produce charcoal. The intensity of the fire was controlled by the insertion and removal of bricks in the opening. A door with an attached handle closed the arched opening. If the fire was not hot enough, the wood did not turn into charcoal. If too hot, only ashes remained. The kiln properly did not operate for long because soon after it was built, charcoal was no longer used.
It's almost getting dark out here. We're gonna try to investigate. I brought the equipment. We're gonna come in here and set it up. See if we can capture anything. This was built around 1860 and is famous for its beehive shaped. There's bricks on the floor too, on the ground. And the mill is right over that way. I've been here about a year ago. It's called Kenans Mill. If you want to see the whole land, please go check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll leave a link in the description of all the information on this place. Yeah, guys, we're just walking around. Might walk down here, show you all the bridge, see if we can see the mill before it gets dark. Then we're going to try hunting for ghosts. See you then. Yeah, guys, this is very old land. Dates back to the 1800s. And over there you got the grist mill. They used to do meal and corn meal and flour. This is the swinging bridge. Okay, guys, we're taking thumbnail and Instagram pictures. Waiting just a little bit longer. We'll go here and set up the equipment. Ask a couple questions. See if there's any spirits that still linger around the furnace. See when it gets a little bit darker. Getting out the equipment. We got the REM pods we're going to set up. And this one we'll set up by the K2 meter. All right, guys, we're going to start the session. Got it set up. Are there any spirits here that want to communicate? REM pod's going off already. If there are spirits here, can you touch the REM pod again? Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me how many spirits are here? Was that you that touched the REM pod? Guys, this is the next file. I'm gonna move it over to the side. Is there anything you want to tell us? I'm holding a recorder in my hand. Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me the name of the owners of this place? Can you tell me where we are?
K2 meters lighting up.
That was probably me.
Can you make the K2 meter go off? Can you make it light up? Thank you. Can you make the K2 meter go off one more time? Thank you.
You tell us why you're trapped here. How many spirits are here? You like playing with these instruments? Can you make the REM pod beep again? Thank you. Thank you. Can you back off of them? Can you make the K2 meter stop? Can you tell me how old you are? For clarification, can you make the REM pod go off one more time? Make it beep. We're gonna back off. Can you tell me what year you remember last? Guys, I forgot about the cat ball. Forgot about it. That's a ball that lights up. All you do is touch it. Is there anything you want to tell us?
She's so tired.
I'm not sure. We're gonna back off. Can you make the REM pod go off again? If y'all want to play with the instruments, you can come up and play with them. Guys, I have a second one in the doorway, but I'm gonna put it in here too. I'm just gonna set it up back here.
is anyone here? Can you make the thing go off and beep?
Thank you.
How many people are here with us? Is there a little girl here with us tonight? What's your name? How are you doing? Can you make the machine beep again?
Thanks for trying to communicate.
Yeah.
Let us know that you're here. Can you make the second REM pod go off?
Did you work for the Kenans family? Were you in the Civil War?
This is all Battleland. Possibly could be 1860s.
That was Civil War era.
Yeah.
If you're a soldier, can you make the machine beep one more time? The REM pod? I'm waiting on your response.
Yeah, guys, we're picking up a lot of activity. As I'm standing here talking, the K2 meter's going off again. The REM pod just went off again. Can you make the REM pod go off again? Thank you. I'm going to start the necrophonic back up. Can you let me know your name? Do you like playing with our gadgets? Is there anything you want to tell us?
Can you make the ball go off in the center of the room? Can you make it blink? All you have to do is touch it.
I think it likes the REM pod. That's awesome. Thank you.
But can you make the ball move? Can you push the ball? I think they're trying. Thank you.
The K2 is steadily going off. Is there anything you want to tell us? Let us know now. Okay, guys, this is our third attempt. See if we can get any answers. Thank you. This is awesome. Are y'all standing right in front of us? You are.
second really
They're very close. It's blinking crazy. Turn their light off.
Guys, there's been a lot of activity.
Just no one around. I'm not glad.
Let us know how many spirits are here. Can you quit making the K2 go off? Y'all can say there's a spider on the catwalk. Can you touch the ball?
Let's get by the door. And then make it off. Let's go at it.
Thank you. We're gonna walk out for a minute. If you wanna make the log off, you can.
What was that? This is known to be the kiln of 1860s.
What's going on here, guys?
It's hot in here.
It's hot here.
I feel a fire. I feel the heat.
This is where y'all made charcoal. Can you quit touching it? Quit making it beat.
I'm sweating.
Then go outside for a minute.
Did y'all get hot in here too? A hot job.
Wow, guys. I'm gonna turn it back on. Alright, guys. I reached over there and turned it off and turned it back on. Can you make it beep one more time? Is there anything you want to tell us? Here, sir. Alright guys, I turned the camera back on. We're just getting more action. They like touching the K2 meter in the REM pod. As you make the K2 meter quit blinking, now, make it stop. Back off of it.
Thank you.
How many spirits are in here with us? Can you touch the ball in the middle of the floor?
Can you make the REM pod beep?
Make it beat for us one more time. If you have anything to tell us. Before we go, can you make the REM pod go off one more time? If there's nothing you want to tell us, we're going to go. Thanks for communicating. Yeah, guys, we're about to pack it on up and it started going off again. And the REM pod. Can you do it for us one more time? Thank you. Thanks for communicating.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're coming on out of there. Yeah, it was hot in there. All right, guys, that's going to conclude tonight's adventure at this old furnace. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I think we caught a lot of evidence. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.